Good morning, Facebook and YouTube. It's a beautiful day out here. The sun is shining. We are on a hardwood job today, screen and recoat for a repeat client. We did their air ducts on Tuesday, and now it's Thursday. We're going to do their hardwood refinishing. So let me show you what we're doing. As you guys know, we charge $2.50 per square foot for screen and recoat, and then we're going to do a color correction as well for an additional $1 per square foot. So that's what we're gonna do today. They want a shade darker, which we can accommodate. So we got a hallway here, kitchen, and a dining room there. And then we got a hallway, and then a foyer area right there. So they're gonna go with the satin finish. We're gonna screen this off. The floors aren't bad, but you can see in some areas the poly is kind of flaking off, and that's typical. So they just want to get it touched up, redone, and they want to go one shade darker, which I can do with the light screening and recoating. But again, if they want it dramatically different, like 2 or 3 shades darker, then it would need a full sanding. But in this case, we can accommodate it. So again, that's $2.50 for a screen and recoat per square foot, and the additional $1 for the color correction and one shade darker. So I think we're gonna go with the walnut, antique walnut color. Right now it's like a honey wheat color. So yeah, we're gonna touch up some of these dark areas, kind of braid it and get that uniform, as well as over there to add character. But yeah, guys, it's gonna look good. So, all right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the results. All right, guys, we are done with that. We just got done screening the floors. We are vacuuming them now, and soon we're going to tack them, and we are going to start staining and applying the poly. Right there. Yeah, it's going to respond well. All right, she's tanked back in now, so that's good. Got this area real good. That was really dark. Lightened up. All right, guys, stay tuned for the results. Stain. All right. Beautiful. All right, guys, this is the first coat. We're gonna leave, and it responded well. Beautiful.